Hello and welcome to today's podcast on Daily Dose. This is a program on Victor Inspires that brings to you sustainable and workable principles for your transformation in order for you to live your best life and be the best you. My name is Victor John Edet and I'm super excited to connect with you today. On today's podcast, I will be discussing a beautiful piece I got from Brian Tracy. The 3 essentials for success. Sometimes, when it comes to achieving success in both your professional and personal life, focusing on the most basic, simple priorities is the most beneficial thing that you can do. When you give your body and mind the things they need to excel, good results will follow. So no matter what you are hoping to achieve or accomplish, you need to know that there are 3 essentials for success. Number 1, sleep. Number 2, exercise. Number 3, positive thinking. So we are going to cover each one of these essentials and also discuss why they are so important. Number 1, sleep. You need to get plenty of sleep. In modern times, far too many people suffer from a lack of sleep. There are several different factors causing this, with the first being the busy, stressful lives that we live. When you are in a constant state of hustle, it's easy to put a good night's sleep on the back burner. Likewise, when you've had a long, stressful day, relaxing your mind and falling asleep can sometimes be difficult. The second factor that causes a lack of sleep in modern times is artificial light, especially the light from a smartphone or computer. Many people spend the late night hours on their phone or computer right up to the minute they try to go to sleep. This constant flood of light, though, can trick your brain into thinking it's still daylight, slowing your melatonin production and making it hard to fall asleep at night. If you want to be at your best each day, though, it is essential that you overcome these challenges and get a good night rest. 8 hours of sleep each night is recommended, and it's definitely a worthwhile goal to aim for. When you start getting enough sleep each night so that your body and your mind are both fully refreshed the next day, you may be surprised by the results that it brings you. Number 2, exercise. Exercise is a key factor to success. The physical benefits of exercise are well documented. However, the mental benefits of exercise are certainly noteworthy as well. Countless studies have shown the impact that regular exercise can have on your confidence, optimism, enthusiasm, and much more. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, that's the feel-good hormone. And these endorphins are able to provide a wide range of positive benefits as you go about your day. In addition to releasing endorphins, regular exercise is able to boost your confidence by changing your body and showing you that you can hit your goals if you set your mind to them. Of course, the physical benefits of exercise are definitely worthwhile as well. When you exercise regularly, you'll have more energy, more strength, and better health. All things which are able to translate to more success in both your personal and professional life. And finally, number 3, think positively. You must think positively. There's a motivational quote that says, "Whether you think you can or whether you think you can't, you're right." In more ways than one, a person's outlook on life often turns into a self-fulfilling prophecy. When you fill your mind with positive thoughts and optimism, positive results typically follow. Conversely, when you fill your mind with negative thoughts and pessimism, negative results typically follow. Positive thinking is like fuel for your mind, driving you to succeed and helping you to overcome the challenges that you encounter rather than being brought down by them. In order for you to have a mindset that leads itself to success, it's essential to start trying to have a positive outlook in all aspects of your life. In the end, you may be shocked by just how dramatic the result will be when you make this one simple change. I believe you got value from today's podcast, and as you put this into practice, you will get the desired result to success. Until I come your way again, be the best you.